Let's solve this limit. So we have the limit as x approaches infinity for this entire function. Whenever you're dealing with limits where the unknown variable approaches infinity, there's actually a very simple trick for solving these functions. What you want to do is you want to look for where the highest exponent is on your unknown variable. And if I look at this fraction, the highest exponent is this squared, because notice here the other x's are just raised to the first power. So x squared is the highest exponent we have on our unknown variable, x. Now, if the higher exponent shows up on top, that means that your limit's going to evaluate to positive or negative infinity. It's going to be one or the other. If your higher exponent shows up on bottom, the limit's going to evaluate to 0. And since our highest exponent shows up on the top, that means this limit is going to evaluate to positive or negative infinity. But the question is, which one? Is it going to be positive or is it going to be negative? Well, if I look very closely, we have a positive infinity being plugged in, and I don't really see any minus signs or negatives that would change this fraction to a negative number. So the answer to this problem is going to be positive infinity or just infinity.